Magandang umaga sa inyo lahat at nandito tayo ngayon sa PICC at tutunghayan natin ang outtaking ng mga newly architect 2024. Yan. Samahan nyo kami ha. Saksihan natin ang mga bagong architect. Nag-umpisa na po papilahin yung mga mapapasukin.
Dami na kabarong yun.
Ayan, tapos na yung mga bumababa. Mga bumababa tapos na yung mga baba.
Ilang batch ba sila?
Maghapon baka mga 3 batch siguro yan. Kaya yan. Pero hanggang gabi pa yan. Nakapila na po kami at mahaba na ang pila, papasok na kami sa loob. Okay, pila na tayo. Tatlo kaming papasok ngayon na guest.
Oo, ka-Jenner.
Bawat isang ganito ay may bayad. May bayad po yan. Hanggang 3 na. Mahaba na. Kaya na po kaya marami. Punong-puno na po lahat na ay ganda ng kanilang mga outfit. Tingnan nyo po yung mga outfit ng mga mag-outtake. Ang gaganda.
Tulay sa man yan. Tulay sa kaya tulay. Tulay sa man.
Papasok na po tayo sa second pila. Papasok mismo sa loob. Yan yung mga mag-o-oat. 2 lanes. Sa mga parents, 2 lanes din. Sobrang dami. Ayan o. Yung haba na yan. Pilas na raw. Kang, pitasin mo to, Ben. Sa tagal nating nakatayo, nakakapupo na tayo. Diba? Yan, malamig na dito. Oo naman, dito ako nag-graduate. And dito rin ako nag-OTK. Dito na lang? Ano? Dito tayo para mas malapit dito. Ito. O, di ba? Saan ba tayo? Ayun ang anak ko. Yan. Yan, naka-blue na may scarf.
Paano sa gate?
Nice. Nasa second row.
Tawagan mo si gate kung papasok ka sa gate.
Nasa second row ang anak ko yun naka-blue. Siya lang ang naka-blue. Naka-scarf. Kasi ayaw niya nang may katulad.
Daniel Tonco de Guzman with mentor Architect Geraldine Cañedo and Architect Juan Michael de Olazo, the Dean of the UE College of Fine Arts, the College Secretary of University of the East, Caloocan.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, on 9th place we have Architect Lynn Friedrich Arevalo Bosol, together with the Dean of the School of Architecture, Fine Arts and Design of the University of San Carlos, Interior Designer Adrian P. Del Monte, PhD.
For 8th place, Architect Arlan Yoj Arnaiz Santillan, with mentor Architect Iluminado D. Quinto Jr., Dean, the College of Architecture and Fine Arts of the University of Mindanao, Davao City. Another 8th placer, Architect Joshua Tumale Garcia, with mentor Architect Shirley P. Alagbate, and the Dean of the College of Architecture of Bulacan State University, Dr. Dennis L. Estacio. And the final 8th placer, Architect Basilio Jose Yuri Carolino, together with Architect Rodolfo B. Ventura, the Dean of the College of Architecture of the University of Santo Tomas.
And on 7th place, we have 4 placers. First, we have Architect Katrina Paula Baeza Tapang, together with mentor Architect Casper A. Payuayo, and Architect Ring de Ocampo of the College of Architecture and Fine Arts of Bulacan State University. Next, we have Architect Harry J. Orines Osias, together with mentor Architect Royal Pineda, and the Chairman of the Department of Architecture, Pangasinan State University, Urdaneta, Architect Javier Kenneth Siriaco. Another one from the 7th place is Architect Mary Dayan Paloma Murillo, together with mentor Architect Danielle C. Go, and the Dean of Architecture, Design and Built Environment of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, Architect Emily Tiburcio Garcia. And also on the 7th place, we have Architect Francisco S. Lira, together with the head of the School of Environment and Design of the De La Salle College of St. Benil. So representing is Architect Ben Lawrence Quizon, the Program Chair.
And for 6th place, we have Architect Josette Claire Esplana La Canaria, with mentor Architect Maria Patricia Joanna T. Cosme, and Architect Mary Rose Vocal, Director, Institute of Architecture, Rizal Technological University. Another 6th placer, Architect Jarvis Lal Espiritu with mentor architect Charisse Germain Yu Ong, and the Dean of College of Architecture of UST, Architect Rodolfo P. Ventura.
On the 5th place, we have architect Martin Russell, Parcari, and Sisa, together with mentor architect Jaira Yango Villalobos, and the Dean of the College of Architecture, Design and the Built Environments of the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, architect Emily Tiburcio Garcia.
Fourth place, architect Ida Talia Arellano Hernandez, with mentor architect Leo C. Casison and architect Luis Maria Boat of the Dean College of Architecture of the University of the Philippines.
On third place, we have architect Eliza Rose Corrales Napoles, together with the Dean of the College of Architecture, also from the University of the Philippines, Diliman, architect Luis Maria Bolt.
Our second placer, architect Ana Patricia Rodriguez de Leon, with mentor architect Miguel Ernesto M. Taya and architect Maria Luisa Boot, the Dean College of Architecture of the University of the Philippines.
And our first placer, architect Louis Nathaniel Pascual Kiu, together with the program chair of the School of Environment and Design of the Nassau College of St. Benilde, architect Ben Lawrence Kizon. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the deans of the top performing schools. Let's welcome the number 4 top performing school, De La Salle College of St. Benilde Incorporated, with a passing percentage of 83.64%. Representing the dean is the program chair, architect Ben Lawrence Kizon. The number 3 top performing school, University of San Carlos, with a rating of 85.29%. With its dean, architect Adrian Perez Del Monte. The number 2 top performing school, the University of Santo Tomas, Manila, with a rating of 88.82%. With its dean, architect Rodolfo P. Ventura. So the dean is represented by the assistant dean, attorney architect Marlon Carino. And now we have the number 1 top performing school, the Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Santa Mesa, with a rating of 93.33%. With its dean, architect Emily Tiburcio Garcia.
Galing.
Next, we would like to welcome the officers of the PhilASA, together with their president, Architect Jean A. Cornejo, MA in Education and FUAP. Let's give them a round of applause, please.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the officers of the United Architects of the Philippines, headed by its national president, Architect Donato B. Bacale, FUAP.
Next, we have the members of the Professional Regulatory Board of Architecture, led by its chairman, Architect Robert Sack, together with its members, Architect Corazon B. Fabiatando and Architect Robert Mirafuente.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Commissioner of the Professional Regulation Commission, the Honorable Jose Y. Cueto Jr. The Chairperson of the Professional Regulation Commission, the Honorable Charito A. Zamora.
Finally, our guest of honor and keynote speaker, please welcome Architect John Patrick Anthony L. Buensalido.
Ladies and gentlemen, please all rise for the invocation to be led by the Chief of the PRB Secretariat Division, Attorney Novelita T. Bautista.
Let us bow our heads and call upon the Lord's holy presence.
Thank you very much and good afternoon to everybody. Let me first acknowledge our PRC Chairperson, Attorney Charito A. Zamora, the Chair and members of the Board of Architecture, Honorable Robert Sack, Honorable Corazon Fabiatando, and Honorable Robert Mirafuente, the President of the UAP, Architect Donato Magcale, the President of PhilASA, Architect Jean Cornejo, the representatives of academic institutions offering the architecture course, and I counted 99 schools in the list. The other officers of the UAP who are present here, parents, loved ones, relatives of our passers, and I noted that there are many of you who will be witnesses to the oath-taking of your sons and daughters or relatives. Of course, let me congratulate the passers of the June 2024 licensure examination for architects. So let's give them again a round of applause. Special congratulations to the top-notchers. As I always say, you have accomplished something that I was never able to accomplish when I took the physician licensure exams. And of course, the
National Regulation Commission, the Honorable Charito A. Zamora.
And of course, sa ating ding mga top-notchers, na sinabi nga ni Kong Cueto na hindi siya pinalad na maging katulad nyo. Ako rin po, hindi pinalad na maging katulad nyo when I took the bar. Pero sinabi rin po I shall work with this general objective that I am accountable to God, to Mother Earth, to my country, to my fellow men, and to myself. I shall uphold the ideals
and follow the norms and ethical conduct of this noble profession. I shall pursue moral and professional excellence to the utmost level of integrity through industrious dedication and meaningful application to my work that merits a reputation for quality of services worthy of fair remuneration. I shall pledge myself to the highest standard of professionalism in relation to clients, colleagues, industry partners, and society. I shall dedicate myself in the pursuit of creative endeavor towards the goal of enlightened art and science, generously sharing it. I shall respect the rights and works of my colleagues in the profession and confine my comments to constructive intents. I shall endeavor to do my duty in the protection of our common environment and the preservation of architectural heritage for the present and future generations. So help me God. Congratulations.
Okay, so architects, please take your seats for a while.
So as they are now full-fledged architects, we would now like to welcome you to join the United Architects of the Philippines, the outstanding professional accredited organization awarded for the 12th year. And so with that, we would like to call on our national president, with whom I'm sure you'll be able to identify with, because he's almost just a little older than you, or maybe as young as the others here. But to be properly introduced first, may we call on the member of the Professional Regulatory Board of Architecture to introduce our guest of honor and keynote speaker. May we call on the Honorable Robert M. Mirafuente, FU.
Well, because it is only a privilege and not a right. The state can take away the status if it is not put to good use. You must always keep valid and updated your Professional Regulation Commission identification card representing your renewable license to practice. And you must always safeguard your architect's certificate of registration and architect seal, especially from unauthorized use by others, even your kin. You must strive to know by heart the laws and regulations that govern the practice of architecture in the country, not limited to Republic Act number 9266 or the Architecture Act of 2004, its implementing rules and regulations, the 2006 amended in 2018 Code of Ethical Conduct, the 1979 amended in 2018.
Tapos, time check na is
I-compare
quarter to
ninyo
4.
yun this morning.
Quarter to 4 na po.
Tulog
Nag-start
lahat sila.
1:30. Malapit na ito.
And I know because in your generation, Saturday, Sunday, tulog pa kayo ng late, di ba? Just like my children. Present siya sa lahat ng mga activities namin. Salamat po.
Yung nagsasalita ngayon, isa siya sa gumagawa ng mga board questionnaire
we will
sa mga
surely miss
examiner.
him. Kasi ang dami-dami ng mga jokes.
PRC.
Multi-talented din ho siya.
I'm Jose Maritan, yung architect po, hindi yung singer. And once again, congratulations to all of you. Mabuhay ang mga bagong arkitektong Pilipino para sa ating bagong Pilipinas.
Sa arkitekto, sigurado.
Matatapos na po, picture na lang ng bawat school na kung ilan yung mga nakapasa. Lahat yung mag-picture taking sa scale. Lahat nakatayo na kasi matatapos na. Lumabas na kami, tapos na, nagpipicture taking na lang namin. Lalabas na tayo. Kasi mamaya pagkaramihan sabay-sabay, masikip ang paglabas. Kaya unahan na natin. Labas na tayo. Ito yung labas, oh. Tingnan ninyo mga ka-joiners na yung labas ng PICC. Oh, tingnan nyo. Ayan, oh. Ayan. Ito yung labas niya. May tubig. Ewan ko kung para saan yan. Wala namang isda. Hindi ko alam kung binahayan. Naglalakad na tayo palabas at ang parking natin ay nasa Star City dahil punong-puno ang parking ng PICC. Maglalakad na lang tayo. Pupuntahan natin si Pao kasi si Pao yung nag-drive sa amin. Hinintay na lang kami.
Doon tayo sa unahan.
Ayun, oh, nakikita nyo pati yung kabila, oh. Punong-puno, oh. Punong-puno, grabe. Ayan, oh. Naglakad na lang tayo palabas. Doon.
Pero kasi pag sinabayan mo pa yung ano, nandiyan
pag sumabay tayo sa karamihan, di ba, boss?
Oo.
Ayun, oh, grabe, oh, punong-puno doon, oh. Ayun, oh, ayun, oh. Tingnan mo, oh. Kita nyo.
Seawall na yan, nandiyan, Ross Boulevard.
Ross Boulevard.
Ano? Dagat na po yan, nandiyan, oh, sa tabi.
Yan.
Isang liban na lang, oh. Maganda na dyan. Nandiyan yung white sand.
Ah, dyan ba yun?
Oh, yan, oh, yan, oh.
No, white sands.
Yan. Yung nire-reclaim.
Bilis maglakad ng dalawa, oh. Ayun, oh. Oh, diba? Hanggang dito na lang po ang aming vlogs at
huwag mong kalilimutan na mag-subscribe sa aming channel. Ka-Joiners Vlog at isama nyo na rin ang Boss Vlogs.
huwag kalimutan magpasalamat dahil everyday is a blessing.